Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the front bumper of a Toyota 4Runner. First, gather all your necessary tools, such as a ratchet, various sockets, and a trim removal tool. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. It's always a good idea to have a general understanding of the steps before you begin the actual removal process. Next, you'll need to disconnect any electrical components, like the fog light wiring harnesses, which are usually clipped in. Then, carefully remove the plastic clips and screws that secure the fender liner to gain access. Don't forget to detach the grille and any associated trim pieces, as these often overlap the bumper's mounting points. Take your time with these delicate parts. Now, it's time to locate and remove the main bolts that secure the bumper to the vehicle's frame. These are typically found along the top edge, inside the wheel wells, and sometimes underneath. Always double-check for any hidden fasteners or clips that might still be holding the bumper in place. Keep all your removed hardware organized for easier reinstallation later. Finally, with all fasteners removed, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. It's often helpful to have a second person assist you, especially if it's a larger or heavier bumper, to prevent any accidental damage. Once it's off, take a moment to inspect the mounting points on both the bumper and the vehicle for any signs of wear or damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.